everyone, I am Tejaswita and welcome to my channel, that is a Pro Career Ignition. If you are liking such kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel and then you can click on a bell icon also. So in future, whenever we are uploading any new video, you will get the notification. So let's talk about what topic we are going to cover up in this video. It's a very sensitive and a very important topic, especially to job seekers who are applying job into the overseas market. So that is the scamming, job scam into Gulf countries. So what we are going to cover up in this video, we are going to discuss about the problems and some tips where job seekers should not fall into this trap and they will not become a victim of job scamming. So let's deep dive and let's understand where we have to take the precautions. So the first scenario will be you are receiving a call from the recruitment agency saying that like ma'am, we are having the 3 opportunities, best opportunity from the multinational company according to your profile. So you have to come down for an interview. So we will take first round of interview and later on we will understand when we have to arrange the interview. So this agency, what they do, they call you for an interview, and once they conduct the interview, and that's a dummy interview, I can say, after that they start demanding money. Money is like, aap itna pay karo, so we will arrange 2 interviews, 3 interviews, and you start falling into this trap because people who come overseas, they pay money for their ticket, they pay money for their own travel expenses, and they are waiting to looking for the better opportunity. So ये सब चक्कर में कैंडिडेट बेचारा इतना फंस जाता है कि they are not very sure these kind of agencies are good or bad, and they pay the money, and after 2 months whatever guarantee period they are giving, they are disappear. So if any agency is asking you upfront money before arranging interview, please don't believe on this. This is a red alert for you and this is the first scenario. इस trap में आपको नहीं फंसना है. Now let's talk about the second scenario, जहाँ पे candidate बैठा है दूसरे country में and the recruitment agency is in a Gulf country. They are calling candidate and they are informing your profile has been selected by so and so company and we are issuing the offer letter very soon. Maybe by end of the day you will get with the best compensation what you are looking, what we have in our database. Database in a sense like उन्होंने कहीं से तो भी information निकाली है. They save the details कि ये candidate इतना compensation is expecting. Accordingly they prepare the offer letter and they shoot in their email. Now here is the glitch. Glitch is in a sense आपने इंटरव्यू नहीं दिया, आपको पता नहीं कौन सी कंपनी है, कौन से कंपनी के साथ आपका इंटरव्यू हुआ. Just on the basis of your profile, not a single company on this universe will offer you the job. So यहाँ पे आपका red alert होता है. You have to cross question to recruitment agency. If I am not given any interview, how can I expect the offer letter? So in against the recruitment agency, fake recruitment agency can come back and say, no, we already done your interview 3 महीने पहले 4 महीने पहले, आपको याद नहीं होगा. So this is all wrong thing. They will try to share with you and they will try to convince with you, take this offer within 24 hours. So we will inform to client. Once you accept the offer letter, by chance you are falling into this trap and you're accepting the offer letter, they will start demanding the money. They say like now, since you already have the offer letter, company is expecting like you will travel on your own expenses and all. इस झमेले में please मत गिरिए. Good companies always conduct the interviews and they ask you all the details only after the interviews, and the PR agency or PR of that company will connect with you to apply your visa and everything. So this is a second scenario. So don't follow. Most of the candidates have fall into this trap. So यहाँ पे आपको precaution लेना है. So now let's take the third scenario. इन केस आपको ऑफर लेटर आ गया है, आपने प्रॉपरली इंटरव्यूज दे चुके हैं, राउंड ऑफ इंटरव्यूज यू आर कंप्लीटेड एंड यू हैव रिसीव्ड द ऑफर लेटर. नाउ many times it happens, company they give the employment visa, that's called the e-visa, from any Gulf country. By any chance any company is offering you the visit visa Okay, and on top of they are saying like you have to spend money for your own ticket. Here is again the red alert. Please don't accept such kind of offer unless and until it is written in the offer letter. Once you are back, once you are in the country, we will pay back all the expenses. अदरवाइज आप विजिट वीजा पे आओगे, आप अपना खुद का खर्चा करके आओगे, यू विल स्पेंड योर ओन मनी फॉर योर हाउसिंग एवरीथिंग, एंड एंड ऑफ द डे इफ योर परफॉर्मेंस इज नॉट गुड, they will terminate you and they will tell you to go back to your home country. So take up a job role where company is willing to give you the e-visa. So keep note of this. Whoever is traveling from the other country, always ask employer to give the e-visa. Now next scenario, like you need to do the background check of your employer. You are receiving the offer letter, आपने interview दे दिया, offer letter आ गया, company has agreed to give everything. बट आपको पहली बात ये चेक करनी है कि कौन सी ईमेल आईडी से मेल आया है. ओके, इज इट अ ऑफिशियल मेल आईडी? ऑल द कम्युनिकेशन इज हैपनिंग थ्रू ऑफिशियल मेल आईडी. इफ कम्युनिकेशन इज हैपनिंग ऑन द व्हाट्सएप, please don't accept, because WhatsApp communication doesn't consider the official communication. So आप email ID check करो, you check that person is, whoever has sent you email, that person is really working in this company or not. आप कैसे चेक करोगे? We have a lot of professional platforms. आप LinkedIn पे चेक कर सकते हो, आप Glassdoor पे चेक कर सकते हो, and there are many platforms you can check. कि चेक करो कि जिसने आपको ये ऑफर दी है, ऐसी कोई कंपनी एग्जिस्ट है कि नहीं, ऐसा कोई बंदा एग्जिस्ट है कि नहीं इस वर्ल्ड में. इफ थिंग्स आर गोइंग वेल, स्टिल यू हैव अ डाउट, यू कैन पिक अप अ कॉल ऑन द लैंडलाइन नंबर. आप कॉल करके वहाँ पे पूछ सकते हो कि ऐसी कोई टीम, ऐसा कोई बंदा इस कंपनी में काम करता है क्या, बिकॉज आई हैव रिसीव्ड द ऑफर लेटर फ्रॉम योर कंपनी वेयर एज दे आर ऑफरिंग मी दिस पोजीशन. I wanted to share one experience from my previous company where I used to work. एक कैंडिडेट का मुझे इंडिया से फोन आया and they said like मैम, we heard like there are a lot of opportunities from your company and I can see your role is like you are the talent acquisition lead and we can see lot of job opportunity. So in that scenario, what happened? Other fake company, they created the fake page of our company. They put my details on that page and they posted, replicate all the positions which we posted on our company website, and they were collecting money as well as they are collecting applications also. So here is the alert: don't share your CV or don't submit your CV on the autonomous or any suspicious website जहाँ पे आप अपने खुद के डिटेल्स शेयर कर रहे हो, बिकॉज दैट डेटा कैन बी यूज लाइक एनीवेयर. सो जो रिनाउड वेबसाइट्स है, प्लीज़ आप उसी पे अपनी सीवीज अपलोड करो, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द, एज आई मेंशन इन माय प्रीवियस वीडियो, most of the recruiters and the companies use database, they purchase database from the renowned company only. So the next topic is like people are arranging the job fairs and the seminars. Yes, this is something new. So what happened, they always, like fake team always have a big team to arrange everything. So they create a campaign and they create the awareness in the market, like we are arranging the job fair through the social media, and people who are looking job opportunity, who have already visited the country or who wanted to apply from India, and the interns also, like students you can talk about who would like to come do the internship. What they do, they fall into this trap. They travel, they submit their resume, they submit their personal details, they conduct some dummy interviews with the candidates, and later on that data is being used for some other purpose. So please guys, aware of this. If you're falling into or you're attending any seminar that should be arranged by college, that has to be arranged by government or any renowned company who are having many job opportunity, they always do the job listing on their website. Always attend those kind of job fairs and the seminars. Don't fall into such kind of job seminars or the fair where your data will be taken and that will be used by the other agency or misuse. So let's summarize what we have discussed. If first point is like if you are receiving the fake offer letter, please cross check the all the details. If you are receiving the fake calls from the fake recruitment agency, again you can check back like which type of company it is and who are working in that company. Third thing, if you're having an offer letter and if company is offering you the visit visa, again it's a red alert, don't accept this offer. And the fourth is the last, like a job fairs and the seminars. If you're attending any job fairs and seminar, make sure you're attending from the renowned company who are organizing.